first thing I understood that every obstacle comes, it's a way for like what comes next. And it's like my disaster somehow. I felt that it opened completely new ways of living. With you, I understood. I first of all started taking responsibility, because before coming to you, I was completely into a victim mode. That why this God, why you made this, and I was completely in a denial situation. This cannot happen. How can my son? What I did wrong, and the blame situation.
So, welcome to Rise to Fame interview with our beautiful energy queen Ruchi. So, Ruchi has really transformed in her Riti Radiance, which is her relationship with her own self, not just that, her family members as well. And that is reflecting in all her areas of her life as well. So, let's hear straight away from Ruchi. Ruchi, before you joined the Energy Queens Hub, who were you and what was your mindset like? And now that you've been in this community, how do you feel about your own self? What is happening in your relationship? What is happening in your life? We would love to know that. So over to you, Ruchi. Bataiye, what's happening?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving this wonderful opportunity to tell my story. And if you remember how I was when I came to you, I was in the lowest phase of my life up until now. So, in 2019, my son's diagnosis came. You know that he has autism and ADHD. So that was a biggest kind of thing which happened to me, and which I felt that my life has shattered kind of. And then I need to take break from my career. I left my career, left dentistry. So COVID happened, and few more things happened in that, because it's like now your energy frequency when dips, you attract those frequency and those kind of incidents. So few more things happened, and I was like extremely. I was also going through the rough patch between me and my husband. There were a lot more things happening, and I was in complete victim mode. I was not able to even talk to anybody. It was like I started taking therapy, but it was so costly that I thought कि I cannot. Chalo, thoda bahut I took like 5 to 6 therapies. Then I thought I need to do it something by myself. So in that way I came to you. I God sent you to me, and I saw you on Insta handle, and whatever you were talking in that video, it resonated with me, with my that time situation so much that I felt that I need to see what is happening. And I learned patiently whatever you were teaching. I slowly implemented, and I saw like major shift. I cannot even resonate who I was 2-3 years back, who I am right now.
Amazing. So your son got diagnosed, you said, with ADHD, with autism, and your life shattered completely after that, right? And then you were saying that you learned and applied the techniques, the tools which has been taught in the Energy Queens community. And now you can't recognize your old self. But then now I want to know, what kind of a person have you become now? So this, I'm sure that what are the changes that you experienced and you felt, just not in yourself, but even in your family's life? Please share with everybody, because this is very important. Some situation comes and the energy dips, and then it takes us on a toll, and it takes us completely down. But that's not the end. Every situation comes to us for a reason, for us to uplift our energies completely. So tell us, Ruchi, that what really happened and what really changed in your life.
With you, first thing I understood that every obstacle comes, it's a way for like what comes next. And it's like my disaster somehow. I felt that it opened completely new ways of living. With you, I understood. I first of all started taking responsibility, because before coming to you, I was completely into a victim mode. That why this God, why you made this, and I was completely in a denial situation. This cannot happen. How can my son? What I did wrong, and the blame situation towards myself, that what I did wrong, and and this blaming situation create a lot of chaos in your personal life. It happened to me, and I became very bitter kind of a person. I was not and bitter and also sad, and that made me that I was not even able to talk to anyone, because all the time I was playing in my mind that why this happened. My life has now stopped. I cannot do anything. I cannot have my career. I cannot go out. I cannot have social life. Everything I was playing in my, and with you, I started living a new way of life. First of all, I took complete responsibility. No blaming, no feeling shame that okay, it has happened. I completely accepted the situation first and foremost, which was the major thing for me, because I was with him. I was doing the things which I should be taking, but with a lot of negativity. I was
Yes.
constantly hammering myself that why this happened. I was constantly questioning my God, कि why did you do this to me? So
But
this
after
was
the situation, you बताइए, how has it now?
it changed that I am doing the things which I supposed to do, which you say in every club, do what you're supposed to do. So this hit my mind. Wow, how you do one thing, how you do everything. Every single line of you is now my little voice is like that. So every time a situation comes, so I take whatever best I can. So things are changing, and my son has shown so much improvement. Like he is now writing. He is now doing arithmetic, maths, which when he was being diagnosed, the level he had, so the child psychologist has said that he will never be able to do the cognitive kind of work, and he will never be able to do mathematics. He will just recognize patterns, and that's it. He will not be able to do. But now he is doing all these things, and I am so happy and grateful about that. It's a small thing, but when you don't have these things, then you understand the importance of small things. So I'm truly grateful, and I have so much hope and trust in my God and myself and my son also, that he will do amazing, because he is seeing, and the way he has improved. Not only talking, he started talking, like he has like a good kind of communication. Not like a normal kid. I cannot expect this, but he has a very good kind of communication. The way I also started taking him to social gathering, and now he is like managing himself, because the way I am talking to him, the
Beautiful.
bond has strengthened a lot with
Yes.
me and my son. And even the child psychologist, recently I went for some diagnosis, some tests. So she was saying that she was like praising us as a parent a lot, because you are so informed parent and you are doing amazing. And me and my husband were like we are like praising each other that whatever we are doing, we are on right track, and we felt so good about that.
Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing this. This happens when you change your energy signature, my dear. Right? And this is what is, I mean, it gives me goosebumps, and the world needs parents like you. Yes,
Yes,
absolutely.
definitely. When these things happen now, so as a parent, it's very difficult to accept the situation, because your life is completely shifts when these things happen. So, being an empowered parent, if you have the confidence, then you can raise your child, raise a confident child. So that I started seeing the confidence in my child.
Amazing.
And
Thank you
he
so much.
started doing, he does the mirror work and affirmation, these kind of breathing techniques, small little things he practices with me.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, Suchi, for sharing this. This made my day completely. Trust me. Beautiful.
And I'm so thankful to you for teaching all amazing things. I was completely clueless to this kind of world. I was a hardcore science
You're
student,
shining. I can see that.
not knowing anything about spirituality, self-help, nothing. I wish you could have come little earlier in my life.
It's God sends the people in the right divine timing. Let me tell you that. And God has sent you now, and we should empower other people for which you've already started. So you have started building your career already as a coach,
Yes,
right?
because this is a new thing to me, and I'm learning a lot. And I've started doing like started my Insta page, started my YouTube as well, and also coming future in a few like 45 days, I will be launching my course also.
Amazing.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So our career is building up once again, along with building a beautiful relationship with our family. Anything and everything is possible. Yes,
Yes,
Ruchi.
ma'am. And you taught me the way to talk. The selling skills you teach now. It's not about selling. You start. I started listening properly. I started not giving response in a hurry, like not understanding the person more openly, and that has led to a very strong bond between my elders, with me and my elder son. Because if you know, in very early classes, I used to say that my elder son doesn't listen me, and now I don't have to make him understand. He's just watching me that Mama is doing these things, and he has started inculcating good habits, small habits. Started reading few of the because he never used to read any fiction and non-fiction books, but he's read Atomic Habits, and he started and he understand the importance of habits. And now he has won so many medals in last 2 years, and it's all manifestation. And he also got selected by his school for like he's one of the best student as per his school, and they are taking the main branch which is not in my city for and giving him scholarship for coming 4 years to making it to prepare for IIT, because he is bright.
Wow. Great. Thank you so much.
Everything happened to me even without even me thinking so much, because initially I was worrying kaise hoga, but I don't know how, but it is happening.
I don't know how, but it is happening. I love that, Ruchi, and I love this energy. Thank you so much. And when you started this call versus now, I can see a big smile on your face. So thank you, and keep shining always. So any last message which you want to convey to the people who's watching this, right? Because the world needs more hope, more inspiration. So people who are watching this, anything which you want to tell them, and people are on the edge. Well, what should I do? What should I do? Should I be in this community? Should I not be in this community? Should I attend the classes more? So anything what you can say and to inspire them, Ruchi.
I can say I have so many things to say. It's not like I can say in a one line, but one thing I definitely want to say, that this community is like a one-stop solution to all of your major issues. Like you teach. You focus on each and every area. You focus on 6-7 areas. So it's like a holistic transformation. Not only you are talking about money or relationship, you also talk about health. I have started many things. You have recently taught in Gyanaklo session, and also you provide the way you handhold. I cannot expect from anybody else, and I feel so. You provide the safe space where we unapologetically we feel that we found our home kind of environment, and the new things you keep on adding new things, the different techniques. I cannot say EFT, ma'am. I forgot to mention that EFT has healed my cervical spondylitis completely. The yoga was helping me, but now I don't have that, and doesn't have that pain. And few years back, the problem was that I could not even pick 1 liter bottle. So doing a kitchen work was so troubling and painful for me, and now it has gone completely.
Good, amazing, Ruchi. Thank you so much for sharing that, and that's happening because you're consistently practicing. Consistently doing the work. So thank you so much for sharing this.
Energy, the environment also matters. The community you have, the amazing women are there, and seeing every else others wins. I feel so motivated that if one day I feel sluggish, I know bucket up, and I have to work hard to show more wins.
Not work hard, but you just need to be energetically aligned, my dear. Yes, amazing. Thank you so much for sharing this, Suchi. God bless you always.
Thank
And
you so much. Thank you
yes,
so much, ma'am.
know
You
that you're now
people
charged up to
said.
take charge of your life. And right now she's having her son and having fever. Still, she's here sitting and sharing. And I know that now everything. आप देखना कल ही ठीक हो जाएगा बुखार अभी भी because you're so energetically aligned. One more time today. All right, so don't worry at all. Take care of your family right now, and God bless you always. Yes,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
thank you. All.